really excited to show you this product because I absolutely love it. So this is the HOTO Handheld Vacuum and Air Compressor Combo. I do want to say thank you to the brand for sending this to me in exchange for my honest opinion. Let me show you why I love this thing. First, let me show you what all it came with. So this is the main piece that it comes with, and it does have a charger port right here. It comes with a cord, you just plug it in, charge it. And then it also comes with a few attachments. So the desk cup attachment for the vacuum side, as well as a few other attachments. I absolutely love this one because you can extend it and it comes with the bristles. And then it also has the pieces for the air compressor side, which is pretty cool. There's one more piece over here. And then it does come with a little brush to clean out any dust that's left in the dust cup. Dust cup, it comes already put like this, and after you vacuum, you're gonna twist it open and empty inside the dust cup area to empty out the vacuumed out bits and pieces. And then that just locks back into place. To attach that piece, you're just gonna put it on, twist it on, and if you want the extra brush head piece, you just slide that on just like that. The air compressor end, you just take the piece you're wanting to attach and then slide that in and click it into place as well. So I'm gonna turn it on, it's gonna be loud. So the suction side, here, and it also does come with a carry bag so you can put the vacuum and all the attachments in it and have that nice